Today we're drawing a cartoon Lion King. Let's get started. Let's start by drawing the outline of the lion's head. Did you know that a lion's roar can be heard from up to 8 kilometers away? Interesting, right? Anyway, back to the drawing. Now let's work on the eyes. A triangle nose and a smiling mouth. Add few whiskers. Draw a small crown on top. The lion is known as the king of the jungle. Draw round ears. Draw a fluffy mane all around the head. Only males have manes. It's a sign of power and health. Now let's draw the royal mantle. Draw a small oval body and short legs. Finish with a long tail. Our mighty cartoon Lion King is complete. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next drawing.